Hello YouTubers, this is your host from GuzzTechno with another review of MIUI 11 MiRoom 9.11.21 beta version based on Android 10 with a security patch level of November 1st for your Poco F1. If you like my reviews, please subscribe to my channel. So this one, as usual, is an upgrade to the previous update which we received, which was 9.11.14, and comes with the same Revolution kernel, which I find is pretty good for the Poco F1 because it's very smooth and gives you an excellent battery life. And one of the few features which I'll like to discuss, I'll be sharing in this review. Not all the features, but which are exclusive to MIUI 11, such as the cast feature. So this one enables you to cast your screen contents to an external monitor like smart TV, Fire Stick, and the best feature is you can minimize the video or maybe any app that you are casting to your monitor, and just minimize that app. It'll minimize to the top right hand corner, just like here it shows, and you can keep on working on your phone on the other apps while that screen will be displayed on your TV. And then you have option of cast with screen off. It's a pretty neat feature, saves a lot of battery, and all you need to do is turn this feature on. Your screen will be off, and if you want to use the phone again, all you have to do is press the power button and the backlight will be on. Also, hide private items. This is enabled by default, and if you don't want your messages or phone calls to show up on your TV screen, I suggest you keep this on. And if you are comfortable with your messages or phone calls popping up on your smart TV, well, you can disable this option. Then you also have smart network features. It gives you various settings, whether you want to toggle your data for your mobile data on or off while calling, whether you want your Wi-Fi to be on when you call. So it has various features as well. Then you have private DNS option which you can choose, and in lock screen you get option to always show notifications. So this one is pretty neat feature because MIUI is known for not showing up unread notifications on lock screen. If you want, you can turn this one on. And there are few other features such as replacing the screen time with digital well-being and parental controls. So if you need to enable those options, what you'll need to do is you'll need to enable developer options, and then go to additional settings, developer options, scroll right to the bottom, and here you'll see show icon shadows, hide app title in 2 lines, show search bar, show Google feed, extended power menu, and use digital well-being instead of screen time. Also screenshot in any app. That means you can take screenshot even in secure apps. So these are pretty good features. As well as the battery is concerned, so I've had this flashed for a couple of days now, because I wanted to show it to you, how the battery life is. And as you can see right now, my battery is 87% and screen time is 1 hour 16 minutes, and usually it lasts for around 7 to 8 hours if I'm not casting my screen to the TV. But if I cast my screen on my television, then it gets around 4 to 5 hours because there's a lot of battery being consumed, and even though the display is off, the process eats up a lot of battery even if the video is playing. So it's a pretty good ROM and a good update to 9.11.14. Feel free to flash it. Not many bugs and very smooth. Camera works, SMS, MMS, calls, everything works on this one. I get pretty good signal as well. on my mobile network, which is Geo. So feel free to flash this one, leave your comments in the section below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.